Okay, first step, I'm gonna get this lip cleaned all the way around, get it separated. You can see just barely that crack there, get it broke apart. I want to save these holes, and I'll use those whenever I go back together with it. See, his car has them, and I'll be able to use that as a reference point. If I get those lined up, I could even throw a bolt through them and just pull it together real tight. I'll need to cut this later, but working on this piece today, so let me get it set up and going here. So it appears Ford uses some kind of weird crimping system. You can kind of see these weird zigzags here. I went ahead and drilled just like I'm going to weld this on later, and I tried to drill into those zigzags as much as I can. I even crimped it back some on this side. I'm going to come from this side with my air chisel, run all the way through. I might actually start on this side since it's more open. Run all the way through, and then I'll jump back on that. Say hello to my little friend. Y'all saw me hitting that with a chisel, didn't you? Let's use the easy one. Well, that was hard. But I get it walking. Walk it apart. Alright, here's our floorboard. Got it flipped upside down, dried out. Went ahead and cut those big lips hanging off. Welded that up, ground them down. Looks a lot better, I think. Left the rubbers on. I did pull these rubbers out, clean that up some so it can get coated here in just a second. I'm going to show you what I'm using. Mr.B listened to me well. He's got the right stuff. This is Eastwood's internal frame coating. I'll spray it inside the frame rails everywhere I can. It even comes with an extension tube so you can stick it in, blow that stuff everywhere inside there you can, which is awesome. Even inside this, go through here, pinion snubber support. This pan is 99.9% rust free. It's great. Show you our other stuff over here. Is the rust encapsulator by Eastwood. So basically I'm going to take a brush it straight on that. I already got it mixed up with my drill here. It'll kind of dry to a matte finish like that, and I'm going to leave this upside down so that it can run all down into cracks also, like our big cracks here, cracks there. This thing will be coated great, but I'm going to stay about 2 inches back from anywhere I may be welding, just so that the stuff won't melt off later. But example, like here, you know, this whole tub, I'm not welding anything around this. I'm welding that lip on the back side, so all that should be good. If it melts off, I'll recoat it anyway, but being able to do it upside down will make this thing last forever. Good. Ah, look at that. Might throw the gloves on just for fun. Look at this stuff. Wow. That little bit will go a long way. All right, check us out. Nice and dried. I touched up a few of those spots, but that turned out really, really nice. It's gonna last forever now, or a long time. This will get undercoated. I'll undercoat most of this frame rail, floor pan, but I'll let that stuff dry well and get it out of the way, start working on our Mustang, our good car. Man, I said it, didn't I?